Welcome to our video guide on effectively managing product collections. With the Product Collections module installed, you can enhance your marketing strategy and organize your products seamlessly. Follow these step-by-step instructions to create, edit, and optimize your product collections. To access Product Collections page, navigate to the My Marketing Tools and Product Collections tabs. Here you can create new collections, edit or delete existing ones. Click New Products Collection or Edit to manage collection names and images. Utilize Quick Search to find collections by name. Click Assign Products to add or remove products from collections. On the Edit Assigned Products page, select Products and use the Assign button. Easily find products in both sections with a quick search. To remove assigned products, click the bin icon. Apply discounts and price reductions in the Collection Discounts Prices section. Choose between discounts based on the number of items or reductions for the entire collection. Don't forget to save your customization. Use these tips to successfully manage your product collections. This versatile module allows you to organize and optimize your product marketing effortlessly. If you found this video guide helpful, please like and subscribe for more insightful content. Happy managing your product collections!